Ever dreamed of breathing life into your own characters? Let's dive into Adobe Animate to learn how to build and animate a character. From the very beginning first, open Adobe Animate and create a new HTML5 canvas document. Time to start sketching. Use the tools on the left, like the brush and pencil. To design your character, keep it simple at first. We'll add details later. Focus on the main body, head, limbs, and any unique features that define your character. Now, let's break down the character. Select each part, like the head or arm, and convert it to a movie clip symbol. Give each part a descriptive name in the symbol properties, like head, arm _ left, and leg _ right. This will let you animate them individually. Rigging time. Open the Properties panel and locate the Bone tool. Select the Bone tool from the vertical toolbar. For each body part, we will create a bone. These will be connected like a skeleton to allow for easy movement. Now for animation, go to the timeline and insert keyframes at various points. To set your frames, click on a bone and rotate it, or move the frame and change its shape. Then, use the tweening options to generate the animation between the keyframes. Play around with this until you get your desired motion. Remember, animation is all about experimenting. Add more keyframes to refine the movements, like adding blinks, a head turn, or a smile. You can add detail at any moment you like. Just keep experimenting to get the perfect effect. With a little practice, you can unleash your inner animator. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tips.